2, 1, 2. Honey, let me open up a can of pop. I'm rusty like an old horse.
The most exciting thing for me is probably just going around seeing all the local live acts and just being able to gain those skills to mix them as well.
Yeah, the thing about the real world environment is that it's not like a classroom. There's no rubrics and anything. You have to adapt, you have to improvise with anything they bring you. And that's what makes the work experience great.
I'd say definitely go for it. It'll give you experiences and opportunities to see professional environments you wouldn't really have a chance to otherwise.
There's no rubric, there's no box ticking in the real environment. You have to improvise. You have to, take what you learn in class, and people come in with different setups, people come in with different things they're wanting to do. You walk into places with different equipment, and you use your classroom knowledge, but real world experience, teaches you to improvise, teaches you to adapt with the situation, with, the environment, with the equipment given. Which is like, it's a much less controlled environment than the classroom, and it really gives you a bit of a taste of the kind of adaptability you need in the industry.
If you're thinking about doing a placement like this, I'd say definitely go for it. Whether you're music or audio, you're going to meet a lot of cool people, you're going to have a lot of good chats, you're going to figure out stuff that you didn't even think of doing. So I'd say do it, 100%. I think it's definitely worth it, and I would 100% do it again.
Gave my girl a nod and said, glory be to God.